Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone runs the latest iOS and the fitness app is up to date. Next, restart the phone and force close the app to clear temporary glitches. This resets background services. Once done, open Settings, then Privacy, then Health, and confirm the app has the required permissions for steps, workouts, and heart rate. Finally, ensure Bluetooth and location services are enabled so sensors and paired devices can communicate reliably with the app. Now you move into deeper fixes. Offload or reinstall the app to clear corrupted files while preserving data when possible. If not, backup first. Then, unpair and repair any Bluetooth sensors or watches. This refreshes their connection profile. For location issues, recalibrate GPS by walking a short route outdoors. GPS typically corrects within 100 to 200 meters. Also sign out of the app account, wait a minute, and sign back in so the app resyncs with its servers and your health data. To finish, confirm your health and fitness data are backed up to iCloud before any major resets. Restore from backup if data vanished. If connectivity or syncing still fails, reset network settings to clear stubborn network stacks. This removes saved Wi-Fi passwords, so make sure you have them. As a final troubleshooting tip, if problems persist, gather screenshots, include device model and iOS version, and send logs to app support. This speeds diagnosis and avoids repeated back and forth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.